We are here in Namtok Chantraten. We are going to try to hike up the waterfall. Today is a holiday. We and the boys gonna go up. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. So we are taking a break, 2-minute break, water break. Literally, I think we only walk for 10 to 15 minutes only, but it's really tiring because it's mostly uphill. Higher. So
It's my first time, so I'm really tired.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
The way going up is like hard, but I know the reward is over there on
Yes.
top.
menu.
Feels good. It's very exciting, and this is my first time. Feels exciting.
It's getting difficult because right now we are just following the stream, so we just have to be all in like this. We are here on the top. I think there's a sign that can't go up anymore, so that's why we stopped here and spend some hanging out up here. Maybe swim and eat and just have great fellowship with the men up here.
Very exciting. Great to come.
And Alan is swimming already. Look at that. We are heading back after we just swim, picnic. We have a lot of fun, but it's hiking back time. We made it to the bottom of the mountain. That was a good hike. So this is us after a long hike and after a couple hours in the mountain, swimming in the waterfall. Yeah, we really enjoyed. What do you guys enjoy the most? Swimming, right?
I enjoyed the climbing. That was great.
Yeah, as I said, the trail is very tough, but the view on top is very rewarding.
Yeah, it's quite rewarding, right?
Yes.
When you got up there, you're like, wow, so relaxed.
Yeah, that's nice.
So Patrick, how are you?
I enjoyed when I dip myself in the cold water. It's so refreshing. After a tiring climb, it's so rewarding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bernard?
I like the sceneries and the ambience of the place.
Yes. Yeah. Bernard is like #1 guy, always go in the front. He like never wait for us. He's like, he's so excited to explore things. So anyway, this is us. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.